everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to track default form submit method, and this is actually the agenda of this video. So for that you need a Google Tag Manager account with the container and workspace, Google Analytics account, and of course the Tagmate app. And so I will show you the step-by-step instruction, and I'm going to show you how to set up the form submission with the Tagmate, and we will going to check whether the tag has been fired or not, and we will check the Google Analytics in real time as well. And if you don't know how to check the whether your form is a default form submit, then I will show you. So let's go to the first step. Okay, so go to your Google Tag Manager account, and this is actually my Google Tag Manager account, and this is workspace and everything. Go to variables, and just click on configure and check all these forms type. So it's already been checked, and now go to trigger, click on new, and just select this form submission type, and just give it a name, any of the name, that form submission, all, anything, and just save it. Okay, now click on preview mode, and provide your website. So this is my actually a demo site, so I'm just connecting with this. So this is actually the Tag Assistant mode, and as you can see, this is the Tag Assistant mode. So clear everything. Okay, it's now clear. Just submit this details. All right, so as you can see, this is the event form submit. So it has been fired. So go to the variable, and as you can see, all this form element and form ID and everything. So form ID, so this is a test form. So I can say this is actually a form with a form submit event, and we can track with the one of the template in the Tagmate application. So let's go to the application, and so I created one project, and if you want to create a project, then you can create a project from here by clicking add new, and this will appear everything, and this is very simple process. But I'm not going to show you in this video. But if you would like to or learn how to create a project, then there is one video in our YouTube channel, and you should see it. Okay, so as of now, I'm just selecting default form submit project. Okay, and here you can say these container and workspace over here. Okay, and just click add new button, go to the form submission, and select this method. Okay, provide the form name, yeah, it's required, and provide one of the condition. Okay, so need to provide a condition, need to provide a URL, and just hit the push GTM button. So it would take some time because of the communication with my GTM account, container, and workspace. So Tagmate is a different application, and GTM it's a different, so it would take some time. And now as you can see, the form submission has been pushed. And let's go back to the Google Tag Manager account, and let's hit this text. And okay, so few seconds ago, everything has been created. I mean, this tag and the configuration tag has been just set up, and all this event and triggers has been created and set up. So now let's check it whether its tag has been fired or not. So this is actually the tag. Okay, now let's start the preview. mode. All right, so the URL has been set. Now just connect. And yes, so tag assistant mode has been connected. Now just clear out everything. Okay. Now again, just submit the form quickly and let's check it. All right. So this tag has been fired and let's check it into Google Analytics. Yeah, whether it's been data has been here or not. So this is actually my property and just go to the configure and open the debug view. And here we go. So this is the form submission. So as you can see, this is the page URL and the page title and the source and everything is coming out. So this is very simple, right? So use the Tagmate app to track your form submission. Bye bye.